The data contained in the various Excel files is uploaded to the data portal through the data connector. This step makes it possible to centralize all information in a single environment, ready for subsequent preparation and analysis operations. By clicking on Browse, you select the Excel files one at a time that you want to upload to the data portal. Once all Excel files have been selected, click Run to perform the upload. The data portal will respond with the details of the completed operation. The data is uploaded to the data portal under the WATERVERSE organization in the Environmental Discharge Events Monitoring dataset within the raw Excel data resource. To harmonize and analyze the data uploaded to the data portal, a mashup will be built inside the data preparation pipeline editor composed of several operators. The first operator is the WDME data portal. This operator retrieves the data previously uploaded to the data portal, representing the starting point of the analysis process. To retrieve the data, it is necessary to enter the resource ID, found in the detailed information, indicate which fields we want to retrieve, in this case, all of them, and enter the API key to authenticate the mashup and access the data. The operator displays a preview of the retrieved data and the associated resource ID, which is the one previously entered. The second operator is the FIWARE data converter. This operator harmonizes the data by transforming it into a smart data model compliant with the standard and with NGSI LD. To use this operator, you must copy and paste the output of the WDME data portal operator into the input of the FIWARE data converter. In this case as well, the mashup shows us the operator's output, demonstrating that the data has been correctly harmonized. The third operator is RHINE analysis. This operator analyzes the already standardized discharge dataset with the goal of identifying anomalies or particularly significant discharge events. The analytical process begins by importing the output of the FIWARE data converter. The operator calculates a series of statistical thresholds based on the mean and standard deviation, creating different sensitivity levels. 0.5, 1, 1.5, and 2 times sigma. Each threshold represents a different degree of sensitivity in identifying anomalous values. In this output, you can see that the CSV files for each sigma, as well as a summary file, have been created and uploaded to the data portal with their respective URLs. Finally, the RHINE visualization operator is used. This operator takes the analysis results and converts them into structured CSV files, ready to be used for creating external visualizations or reports, starting from the CSV files generated by the analysis operator. The RHINE visualization operator confirms that the data has been successfully uploaded to the data portal. In the data portal, within the RHINE visualization dataset, it is now possible to view the CSV files generated by the operator, and by clicking Download, you can download these CSV files for consultation. The CSV files generated by the RHINE visualization operator and currently available on the data portal can be imported into DashRAM through the Data Import from CSV Service section. In this section, you need to enter the link to the CSV resource in the CSV address field. Once the data is uploaded, you click on Preview to check that the data is correctly formatted. Then you configure the database where you want to save this data, for example, a PostgreSQL database, and a table name such as Sigma 5 Data. It is possible to choose what to do with the table at each new job execution, error, append, or replace. After the job is created, to view it, you click on the Settings menu under Jobs. Here, you can see the list of all created jobs. To run a specific job, simply click the button with the lightning icon in the last column, Execute Job. When the job is executed, Dashram creates a dataset inside the selected database using the previously configured table name. By clicking on the dataset, it is possible to create charts with the newly imported data. In this case, a tabular visualization is being used to display all the columns of the dataset. To create a new chart starting from our dataset, you click on the Chart section. Dashram will display the list of all available chart types. To create a new chart, you select the dataset and search for the chart type required for the visualization, for example, a heat map. Once the dataset and chart type are selected, you click on Create New Chart. Here, you can configure all the fields required by the chart. To save this chart and display it on a dashboard, simply click the Save button at the top right. You then enter the name of the new dashboard you want to create. You can either save the chart inside the dashboard and continue working, or save the chart and immediately display the newly created dashboard. Each dashboard can be edited using the Edit Dashboard button. This feature allows you to visually modify the chart settings, such as dimensions, or add new charts to the dashboard. In this case, the previously created heat map chart has been successfully saved inside the dashboard. Here is the final dashboard, enriched with several visual elements: heat map, time series, pay chart, interactive table. All these components are fully dynamic, allowing the user to explore the data in a simple and intuitive way.